Welcome to the continuation of the discussion on accounting for partnership operations. So, kanina we ended on the discussion on salary. So now let us illustrate bonuses. So illustration 2 is for bonus. A and B's partnership agreement stipulates the following: annual salary allowances of 30,000 for A and 10,000 for B. Bonus to A of 10% of the profit after partner salaries and bonus. So please be mindful of the terms after bonus, before salaries and bonus, because it will be vital in the computation of bonuses. So itong sample na to, ang tawag dito is bonus after bonus because this is a bonus based on a profit after deducting the salaries and the bonus. So, yung scheme na to is bonus after bonus. Kasi merong mga conditions na yung bonus is based on profit before the bonus. So, bonus before bonus naman yun. Okay, the profit and loss sharing ratio is 60-40. So, case 1 is with profit. The partnership earned profit 106,000 before deductions for salaries and bonus. So, this is before salaries and bonus. We compute for the respective shares of the partners in the profit. So, tandaan lang natin, ang salary ni A, 30, ni B, 10,000. Ang bonus ay 10% ng profit after salaries and bonus. Then, the remaining is 60-40. Okay. Case 1 solutions. The amount to be allocated is 106,000. Magkano ang salaries? 30-10. So, 40,000 ang total salaries. Next, the bonus after bonus. So, may formula on how to compute the bonus after bonus. The formula is, since this scheme is bonus after bonus, we look at bonus is equal to P minus the quantity of P divided by 1 plus the bonus rate. Yung bonus rate, that is 10%. Ito yun, 10%. Yung P na tinutukoy dito, this is your profit after salaries but before bonus. So, yung profit na tinutukoy dito is the profit after salaries but before the bonus. Kasi kino-compare mo yan para makuha mo yung mismong amount ng bonus. So, ang profit mo ay 106,000 minus the salaries, 40,000. So, ang iyong profit before, after salaries but before the deduction of the bonus is 66,000. 106 minus 40, 66,000 yung P mo dyan. So, when you substitute P na 66,000, you will get the bonus na 6,000. Since we compare and we identify kung magkano ang naging bonus on the transaction. So, ang bonus mo dyan ay 6,000. So, now, 40 plus 6 is 46,000 minus 106,000. Magkano pa ang remaining profit? 60,000. So, the remaining profit is allocated based on, ano sabi kanina? 60-40 ba? Yes, 60-40. So, 60,000 times 60% is 36,000 for A. 60,000 times 40% is 24,000 for B. Okay, so when we allocate, we just add 30 plus 6 plus 36 is 72,000 for A. For B naman, 10,000 plus 24 is 34,000 as a total of 106,000. So that's how we allocate using the bonus after bonus scheme. Next, same illustration related to bonus, but there is a loss. The partnership incurred loss of 5,000 before deductions for salaries and bonus. The requirement is to compute for the shares in the of the partners in the profit or the loss. By what amount did A's capital account change? Okay, let us illustrate this. The question is related to profit or loss. Ayan, ang ibig niyang sabihin dyan. Kung magkano man yung resulting end. So, case 2 solutions for requirement A. So, magkano daw ang loss? 5,000. So, ito yung allocate mo. Kahit na may loss ka pa, magbibigay ka pa rin ng salaries. So, may salaries pa rin 30 and 10 for A and B respectively. May bonus after bonus ka ba? Wala. Remember, dun sa unang discussion natin, sinasabi na you will only give bonus if there is a partnership profit. Since loss ito, wala kang ibibigay na bonus. So i-allocate natin. 5,000 na ang loss mo, salaries mo 40,000. So, negative ka pa ng 45,000. So, how do we allocate 45,000 based on the profit and loss sharing agreement na 60-40? So, 45,000 times 60% is 27,000 for A, then 40% naman kay B. Then, i-add mo lang yan para makuha mo yung final amounts. 30,000 plus negative 27,000 is 3,000. 10,000 plus negative 18,000 is negative 8,000. So you will arrive at the total loss na 5,000. Let us take a look at the note. No bonus is allocated because the partnership incurred loss. Yes. However, salaries are nonetheless provided because salaries are compensation for services rendered. So hindi naman pwedeng walang sweldo yan because that will fall to on involuntary servitude. So dapat may bayad yung compensation for services rendered. Okay, let's take a look at the requirement B, which is, anong tinatanong sa requirement B? By what amount did A's capital account change? Here and, okay. Based on our computation, B, manggagaling kay B ay 8,000. Then kay A, may marireceive siyang 3,000. Okay, pansinin mo, debit B capital, binawasan siya ng 8,000. Then credit income summary, 5,000. Then credit A capital, 3,000. So kahit na loss pa yan, nadagdagan pa rin ang capital ng isang partner. So A's capital, the answer for requirement B is A's capital will increase by 3,000. I want you to take note of this. Notice that the partner's capital can increase despite of a partnership loss. So kung merong theoretical question on the CPA board exam related to this, you can easily say na kahit na may partnership loss, pwede na ma-increase ang capitalization ng isang partner. Okay, let's proceed with illustration 2.1, bonuses with limit. So, kung makikita mo, ine-establish natin yung basic items on accounting for partnerships, then isa-isa nating ipine-present yung mga complications nila. So, from basic to complicated. Okay, A and B's partnership agreement stipulates the following. First, A shall receive 10% of the profit up to 100,000 and 20% over 100,000. So, ang sinasabi dito, kapag up to 100,000, 10% ang marireceive ni A. Kapag over 20% over 100,000. So, halimbawa, 150,000 ang profit. So, 100,000 times 10% plus 20% times 50,000. Kumbaga, meron siyang brackets. Next, second, B shall receive 5% of the remaining profit over 150. So, kung sobra doon sa 150, of the remaining profit over 150, 5% nun ay marireceive ni B. Next, any remainder will be shared equally. So, the partnership profit daw ay 280,000. So, let us compute for the respective shares of the partners in the profit. Okay. Tandaan lang natin, balikan natin. Sa A daw, 10% of the profit up to 100 and 20% over 100. B, 5% ng remaining profit over 150 and then remainder equal. Okay. So, kung ang amount to be allocated to the partnership profit is 280,000, how much is the bonus to A? Ang sabi dito, the bonus to A is 10% of the profit up to 100,000 and 20% of over 100,000. So, 10% ng 100,000 ay 10,000. So, ito yon. So, ito yung naka-red. So, yung red, red, blue, blue. First 100K, 100K times 10% is 10,000. Then yung excess, magkano ang excess? 280 minus 100K, 180 yon times 20% is 36,000. So, yan yung bonus ni A. Kay B naman, ang sabi, 5% of, ang sabi kay B, balikan natin, 5% of the remaining profit over 150K. of the 5% of the remaining profit. So, 280 yung profit, pero ang remaining na lang ay bawasan mo kasi dahil naibigay mo na kay A yung 10 and 36. So, 280 minus 10 minus 36, ano pa ba yung sabi? Of the remaining profit over 150. So, yung sobra lang ng 150 ang kanyang bonus. So, minus mo pa yung 150. So, yung kung magkano man yung resulting figure nun, i-times mo sa, i-multiply mo sa 5%, that is 4,200. So, yan lang ang bonus ni B. Next, the allocation of the remaining profit. So, kung magkano man yung natira dyan, it will be shared equally. So, 229,800 divided by 2. Then, i-allocate mo, i-add mo lang. 10 plus 36 plus 114.9. So, yun yung allocation basis mo dyan. Okay, let's proceed with illustration 2.2, bonus, the choice of the profit sharing scheme. Okay, Mr. A, a partner in ABC, is deciding on whether to accept a salary of 8,000 or a salary of 5 plus a bonus of 10% of profit after deducting salaries and bonus. The salaries of the other partners amount to 20,000. Requirement, at what amount of profit would Mr. A be indifferent between the choices? So, ano ibig sabihin ng word na indifferent? Well, kumbaga, kahit na anong alternative ang piliin niya ay will result on the same item. Kumbaga, same result lang din. So, indifferent siya. So, walang profit, walang loss. Kumbaga, kapag pinili mo either of the items. So, ano ba yung pipiliin? It's whether to accept 8,000 salary. Bibigyan ka ng 8,000 salary o bibigyan ka ng 5,000 na salary pero may bonus ka na 10% of the profit after salaries and bonus. So, ito ay bonus after bonus scheme. So, ito ngayon ang i-compute natin. So, merong mga ganyang items sa board exam. Mga ganyang type of questioning that will tickle your mind. So let us look at the illustration 2.2 solutions. So you need to formulate an algebraic equation to develop the two choices. So let us represent X as a profit, as the profit after salaries and bonus, and 10% X as the bonus after bonus. Kasi sabi, the bonus is based on profit after salaries and bonus. So let us take a look. Choice number 1, 8,000 salary, o choice number 2, 5,000 salary plus 10% X, o ito yung bonus. 8, okay. So pwede kang gumamit ng equality dyan dahil nga indifference ang hinahanap natin. Yung same will yield the same result. So 8,000, transpose mo lang 5,000, minus 5,000 is equal to 10% X. So 8 minus 5 is 3,000 is equal to 10% X. Divide both sides by 10%. 3,000 divided by 10% is 30,000. So your profit after salaries and bonus is 30,000. Let us first compute now for your bonus. So profit after salaries and bonus. Your profit after salaries and bonus is 30,000 times your bonus rate, 10%. Ano bang sabi kanina? 10% of the profit after salaries and bonus. 10% of the profit after salaries and bonus. So 30,000 times 10% is 3,000. So anong hinahanap natin? The profit that will make Mr. A indifferent. So profit after salaries and bonus ay 30,000. Ang salaries na choices ay 5,000 plus 20K. Saan ang galing yung 20K? The salaries of the other partners. So, ito yun. So, kumbaga, wino-work back mo ito para ma-identify mo kung ano ang profit before salaries and bonus na magiging indifferent si Mr. A. So, plus 3,000 na bonus na na-compute natin sa taas. So, 30 plus 25 is 55 plus 3 is 58,000. This is your profit before salaries and bonus. So, nag-work back ka, binalik mo. In-add back mo lang yung salaries, in-add back mo yung bonus. Hence, the answer is, if profit is 58,000, Mr. A will be indifferent between the choices. So, kung ang profit ay 58,000, so kahit na ano pang piliin ni Mr. A na 8,000 salary or 5,000 salary plus 10% na bonus after bonus, ay mag-yield lang ng same result sa kanya. So, yun yung sagot, 58,000. Okay. Bonus, comparison of the profit sharing scheme. Let us take a look. A and B's partnership agreement stipulates the following. Bonus to A, 10% of the profit before bonus. Profits are shared equally while losses in the ratio of 2:3. So, tingnan mo yung bonus dyan. This is bonus before bonus scheme. The requirement is which partner has a greater advantage when the partnership earns profit or when it incurs loss. Okay, let us represent B as the bonus, P as the profit after the bonus, L is the loss without deducting any bonus. So, let us take a look. When there is profit, the profit shall be shared as A's share is the bonus plus the 50% of P. Kay B naman, B's share is 50% of 50% ng P. Paano ba na-derive yun, sir? Ang sabi kasi dito, bonus to A of 10% of the profit before bonus. Profits are shared equally while losses in the ratio of 2:3. Kapag profit, equally kasi ang distribution. So, papaano ang pag equal ang distribution o the 50% ng P, 50% ng P, yung P na yan ay after the bonus na. So, may bonus pa ito. So, sino ang mas malaki ang mag-generate na share kapag profit ang result ng partnership operations, edi si A dahil 50% plus P na siya, may bonus pa siya. Paano naman kapag loss? When there is loss, the loss shall be shared as, ano bang sabi dito sa kapag daw loss is, ang ratio ay 2:3 or 2/5 and 3/5 for A and B respectively. So, ang L, loss without deducting any bonus. Remember, kapag loss, walang bonus yan. So, ang A share ay 2/5 ng loss. Si B naman, 3/5 ng loss. So, kung makikita mo, kapag loss, si A pa rin ang mas malaki ang magiging share. Okay. Hence, partner A has a greater advantage whether the partnership earns profit or incurs a loss on this item. Diba? Kumbaga, we just illustrate how do we analyze the transaction. Okay, I think there is an error here. Kasi 3/5 ng loss, it should be B. B dapat ito. Sorry. Yan. 3/5 ay mas malaki kaysa sa 2/5. So, kapag profit, A will have, partner A has a greater advantage when kapag profit ang operations on this particular scenario. Pero kapag loss ang particular scenario, B will have to share a bigger cut of the loss. So I think that will end my discussion related to illustrations on bonus. Please proceed to the next video for the illustration on interest on capital contributions. Thank you.